Hey, all right, guys. It's Brian here again with the American Flint Trade Room. Just waited for this. This is a pretty simple trade to take here. We got this zone that was tested here a couple times, and let me just expand this out for you guys to see. We had and we're looking at our 4-hour chart here. But if we go down to say, let's just say it was a 60-minute on this. Zone's been tested, and we had a retracement off the top of it. So we just put ourselves a little confirmation order in here. Again, today's one of those days where we're nibbling at the market instead of getting those big runners. No problem with it at all. We can scratch out 100 points, 10 trades for 10 points, or one trade for 100 points. Either way, that's the daily goal. And I don't think anybody's going to be upset. So we're going to go ahead and use this little moving average here because, again, we have a choppy day. And I'd really guarantee ourselves profits today, a couple $100 in profit each trade. If it continues down, great. We have a little area of capitulation, if you will, or a change in direction. And again, that zone did get tested. So we'll go ahead and take a look at the 15-minute chart as well, just to give you an idea of what we're looking at here and why. Uh, Come on. And why this makes sense if my computer will respond to me. So again, a retest of a zone, falling off that, pretty decent little trade here. If we look back in time, that zone was tested again. You saw it on the 4-hour chart. So this was pretty easy to trade to take. Again, confirmation entry. We want to make sure the market starts running in our direction most of the time before we take these trades. So this is probably our runner that's going to get us to the profit we need for the rest of the day. So we're just going to go ahead and squeeze this up. I like to use the moving average here. But again, in a trade like this, you got a couple different options. For me, I'm not super worried about whether it goes all the way down to 871. I'm looking for 100 points today, and it looks like the market may want to. You got a lot of wicks here, so it may want to go about half of this move. So we're probably almost there. So again, this is one of those times where I'm just going to squeeze my stop down and intentionally get stopped out just to guarantee myself my $300, $400, no matter what happens at this point. I'm going to guarantee myself profit. You hear me all the time say, pay yourself to stay in a trade. So again, you can do that. The easy way to do that for this, guys, I'll just go ahead and show you right now. The easy way to pay yourself is to move back to that faster moving average, leave it there, and you can always just take one contract off. But again, with this bouncing around here, I'm not super confident this is going to continue to go down, especially looking at what we're seeing on the 15-minute chart. So we'll just take what we can out of this trade and call it a day. But again, you can take one contract off and stay in the trade longer, and it could run all the way down to maybe this level or even close to the bottom here, probably around 940, 930. If that run happens, then great. We'll be happy with that. If not, we've made our 100 points for the day. So here's a little nine. And if you hear Coach in the background for the American Fluent Trade Room, he's saying the same thing. 980 was going to be our 980 is going to be our little target here. So that's a good trade for us. We got our $600, $700 out of this trade. So I'm just going to squeeze this down a little bit more. I'm going to squeeze my stop down. We got a very light moving average here. So we'll just wait for the moving average to kind of move down. I'm using a swing point, not really a swing point, but just kind of a tested area here as my last stop. But we'll go ahead and move this down as the market goes down. If it hits this zone or even starts to turn around here, I'm just going to get myself stopped out of this trade. I'd rather take $500 home on a day like today and keep it in my pocket than try to guess whether the market's going to continue to go down or not. And again, one of the biggest things is you've got to have goals, got to be patient, and we did hit this zone. So we're going to squeeze our stop down here a little bit more to guarantee ourselves that 500 or something dollars in profit. And just like I said, it would probably bounce off of it. So right now, we're guaranteed $500. We may get stopped out, we may not. Who cares? That's trading made easy with the American Fluent Trade Room. Go to AmericanFluent.com and sign up for the 1 day trial for $10, and we will give you a week trial for that $10 with 3 coaching sessions. We teach 6 trade setups that make it easy to get into these trades and catch 50 points, 100 points at a time. And if you're using 2 contracts, that's $500,000, and it only takes 2 or 3 trades a day to get there. And that's trading made easy. There we go. Got stopped out. Got our $500. So now I'm pretty much done for the day. I've hit my 100 point goal. Go to AmericanFluent.com. Sign up for the 1 day trial. We'll give you a week trial at $10 for you and 3 coaching sessions to start teaching you those 6 trade setups. And please like, subscribe, and share these videos.